So once again, I got started without recording the repair, but there was a chunk of this woofer, the Aquaplus, was knocked out of there. I don't even know how they did it, but it was peeled off. So it left a depression in this area. I'm sure you can see it, but went ahead and I took some vinyl spackling, some spackling paste, just with something with a little grit to it, and mixed up some acrylic paint, white with some brown and some yellow, and kind of built it up so it's hard to see that depression anymore, but it's as close. I've tried it like 4 or 5 times now to get that color as close to the aged Aquaplus as I could, and that, I think that's going to be it at this point. It's a good, to me, it's a good 3 or 4 footer as far as not being able to tell where that, or not be able to tell that well where the fix was. So anyway, should have videoed that, but anyway, it was just a matter of dabbing in paint mixed with spackling and kind of trying to give it a little texture and fill in that depression left by the Aquaplus being chipped off. Time to work on the input connectors. So this is what was on the back, I guess, going this way, and it's supposed to have a plastic piece on, and then they were all broken off. So I took those off and had some of these around. So I'm just going to go and stick these through the back and put one nut on, and then I'll put the connector from the speaker on in there, and then I'll put another nut. I'll put the washer, then put the nut, put that connector, and then another nut onto there. So that should take care of this. And this has this little I don't know what you call it, but it's like a little piece that when I go ahead and bolt that in, that'll dig into the wood and stop this from turning. So anyway, it's just not a circular piece. It has like a flat edge to it. So once that's pulled in, it'll stop with the round part, which acts like a washer, and that'll stop that from moving. So anyway, I was thinking about using these, but these aren't wide enough, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. Anyway, I'll see how that works. So this is the end product. Finally got these done. Seemed like it took forever, but all those blemishes and problems have been put to bed. I think they came out really nice. You be the judge of that. Front spaffles have been repainted. The back has been repainted, and because of copyright, I'm not going to play anything, but they sound amazing. Ciao.